Cryptocurrency mining has become a lucrative venture for many individuals and organizations seeking to capitalize on the digital revolution. One crucial component of a successful mining is a high-performance graphics card. The right graphics card can significantly impact your mining efficiency and profitability. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best graphics cards specifically tailored for mining, considering factors such as hash rates, power consumption, and price-performed ratio. Number 5. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 stands out as one of the most powerful and efficient graphics cards for mining. Equipped with Ampere architecture and 10GB of GDDR6X memory, this GPU offers an exceptional hash rate for mining various cryptocurrencies. With a power consumption of around 320 watts, it strikes a balance between performance and energy efficiency. The RTX 3080 is a top choice for miners looking to maximize their profitability while maintaining a reasonable budget. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 69000 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 69000 XT is a high-performance graphics card designed for both gaming and mining applications. Powered by the RDNA 2 architecture, this GPU packs a punch with its impressive specifications. With 16GB of GDDR6 memory and a memory clock speed of 16 Gbps, it offers ample capacity and bandwidth for handling demanding mining algorithms. The RX 69000 XT shines when it comes to mining Ethereum and other memory-intensive cryptocurrencies. Its advanced architecture and memory configuration allow for efficient processing of complex computations required for mining. This GPU can deliver excellent hash rates, making it a top choice for miners looking to maximize their profitability in this space. In terms of power consumption, the RX 69000 XT operates at 300 watts, which is relatively moderate considering its performance capabilities. It strikes a balance between power efficiency and hash rate, ensuring that miners can achieve optimal mining output without drastically increasing their electricity costs. However, the power consumption can vary depending on the specific mining algorithm and settings used. Furthermore, the RX 69000 XT features enhanced cooling solutions, ensuring that the GPU stays within acceptable temperature limits even during prolonged mining sessions. Efficient cooling is crucial to maintain stable performance and prolong the lifespan of the graphics card, especially in demanding mining environments. Overall, the AMD Radeon RX 69000 XT offers a formidable combination of high hash rates, ample memory capacity, and efficient power consumption. It is a top-tier graphics card that caters to serious miners looking to maximize their mining potential while maintaining a reasonable power budget. Number 3. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 is a mid-range graphics card that offers remarkable mining capabilities. With 8GB of GDDR6 memory and Ampere architecture, this GPU delivers high hash rates while being relatively more affordable than its higher-end counterparts. Its power consumption hovers around 220 watts, striking a balance between performance and energy efficiency. The RTX 3070 is an attractive option for miners seeking a cost-effective solution without sacrificing significant hashing power. Number 2. AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT is a powerful graphics card that strikes a balance between the performance and affordability, making it an attractive choice for both gamers and miners. Built on the RDNA 2 architecture, this GPU offers impressive specifications that cater to the demands of mining operations. With 12GB of GDDR6 memory and a memory clock speed of 16 GB per second, the RX 6700 XT provides ample memory capacity and bandwidth to handle various mining algorithms efficiently. While it may not match the performance of higher-end models, it still delivers good hash rates and is particularly efficient when mining cryptocurrencies that rely on the Athrash algorithm. The power consumption of the RX 6700 XT is relatively moderate, hovering around 230 watts. This power efficiency allows miners to maintain a reasonable electricity cost while enjoying a solid mining performance. However, it's important to note the power consumption may vary depending on the specific mining algorithm and settings used. The RX 6700 XT features advanced cooling mechanisms to ensure optimal performance and temperature management. Effective cooling is crucial to maintain stable and reliable mining output, preventing overheating that can negatively impact performance and the lifespan of the graphics card. Number 1. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. For miners on a tighter budget, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super offers a compelling option. While not as powerful as the higher-end models, this GPU still provides a respectable mining performance. With 6GB of GDDR6 memory, it can efficiently handle various mining algorithms, making it versatile for different cryptocurrencies. The GTX 1660 Super boasts a relatively low power consumption of around 125 watts, making it an energy-efficient choice for entry-level miners. When it comes to mining cryptocurrencies, selecting the right graphics card is essential for maximizing efficiency and profitability. Depending on your budget, mining requirements, and the cryptocurrency you plan to mine, these graphics cards offer a balance between hashing power, power consumption, and affordability. By choosing the right graphics card for your mining rig, you can optimize your mining operations and increase your chances of success in the ever-evoking world of crypto mining. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.